Hi, Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this 54 Sea Ray Sundancer. We'll do a separate video of just this cockpit area, which is, to me, a true highlight on the boat. But let's do the interior right now. Very wide staircase here, all natural wood, absolutely beautiful, down to a wood landing. That sliding plexi door for the companionway has a separate screen door for all you folks up north. Starboard, you've got this large couch. Underneath those two cushions is a real pull-out bed like you'd have in a house. You see the TV there. There's a DVD player as well as satellite television, and that's all hooked up to a Bose lifestyle system. That beautiful coffee table is all storage underneath. High gloss cherry wood finish in this yacht. Cherry floors. Very pretty combination. Storage abounds in these. That's 4 huge overhead deep storage cabinets, as well as storage above the shelves or above the countertops. You have a refrigerator and freezer, separate units under the countertop, 2-burner stove, and big pans for flatware, pots, pans. Storage in the floor. I like that they hinge these floor hatches, very easy to get up. This is our VIP guest stateroom. Nice island berth. Storage on both sides, windows, his and hers hanging lockers, a separate TV and DVD player for here. Bose lifestyle speakers in here, as well as a separate air conditioner. Private access to the head. This forward head is also a day head. Large stall shower, tile floors, teak seat, opening window, a shelf, vacuum flush head. And then back to the master where you'll be super comfortable. Storage up there, his and hers end tables, reading lamps, a nice accent on the wall with backlighting. More Bose speakers, TV for here. Hidden shelving in there. Small step up into the head, which is also a dressing room in this boat. You'll see a full-length mirror, a large cedar-lined hanging locker, drawer storage, beautiful sink mounted under counter, the vacuum flush head, and another stall shower with window and seat. So that's going to take us through the interior of this boat. Hope you watch this video as well as the exterior.